Previous OpenSea employee indicted for fraud over insider trading of NFTs. Nate Chastain, a previous high-positioning representative of prevailing non-fungible token (NFT) commercial center OpenSea, has been prosecuted for misrepresentation and tax evasion for a situation government examiners in the Southern District of New York portray as insider exchanging non-fungible tokens. In 2021, Chastain, then the head of Item, was responsible for choosing what NFTs would show up on OpenSea's landing page. He purchased around 45 NFTs before they were highlighted, selling them soon after and catching the huge expansion in costs that ordinarily followed, the arraignment says. All in all, he was purportedly front-running his boss market-moving advancements. He normally sold those NFTs for somewhere in the range of 2 and multiple times the price tag, the arraignment says. Chastain didn't promptly answer a solicitation for input and his legal counselor isn't yet recognized in court papers. It's striking that the arraignment returned yesterday and unlocked today refers to the episode as insider exchanging, on the grounds that NFTs don't appear to be covered by the Securities Act of 1934, which bars insider exchanging stock and other monetary protections. Yet, examiners are presently clarifying that they won't allow that detail to prevent them from involving government extortion charges to pursue repulsive practices in the NFT market rehearses that may be charged as insider exchanging assuming protections were involved. The present charges exhibit the responsibility of this office to getting rid of insider exchanging, whether it happens on the financial exchange or the blockchain, said U.S. lawyer Damian Williams in an official statement. The extortion arraignment doesn't mean NFTs are being viewed as protections. The essence of the charge is that Chastain utilized classified data misused from his manager, OpenSea, to bring in cash. The prosecution makes sense of Chastain had a commitment to keep up with the classification of secret business data got regarding their work for OpenSea, and a commitment to shun utilizing such data, with the exception of the advantage of OpenSea or to the degree important to perform work for OpenSea. After joining OpenSea, Chastain consented to a composed arrangement where he recognized these commitments. The illegal tax avoidance count affirms Chastain endeavored to cover and camouflage the returns of his supposed extortion. The prosecution states he utilized mysterious computerized cash wallets and unknown records on OpenSea to conceal his exchanging. The prosecution likewise looks for relinquishment of any of the returns detectable to his supposed misrepresentation. Different kinds of action that seem much the same as insider exchanging appear to be spinning out of control in the NFT market. Alexander Arnault, the child of the second most extravagant individual on the planet, Bernard Arnault, was associated with dubious exchanging of NFTs in February. He bought incredibly interesting and subsequently very important Hypebears NFTs before it was uncovered to the public which bears had the most extraordinary properties. He sold them not long from now thereafter, reserving a huge number of dollars in benefits. The chances that Arnault's buys were made aimlessly, without information on the concealed unique case, were 1 of every 440,000, as per Convex Labs, a tech startup intending to make the crypto and NFT showcases more straightforward. By examination, the lifetime chances of getting struck by lightning are around 1 out of 15,000. A representative for Arnault passionately rejected that he had any inside data about the bear's credits. The Chastain prosecution is an update that different varieties of NFT insider exchanging could be viewed as extortion. For instance, assuming somebody giving another arrangement of NFTs guaranteed that the deal would be fair for all members, however at that point spilled data on the NFT's unique case to individuals before the computerized craftsmanship was freely uncovered, he may be blamed for extortion either by examiners or in a common suit. Somebody who abused his boss' inside data, as Chastain purportedly did, could likewise be blamed for misrepresentation. As the world's driving Web3 commercial center for NFTs, trust and honesty are centered to all that we do, an OpenSea representative said after the arraignment was unlocked. At the point when we learned of Nate's way of behaving, we started an examination and at last requested that he leave the organization. His way of behaving was disregarding our worker arrangements and in direct struggle with our fundamental beliefs and standards.